We're here at the One-to-One Mining Investment Conference in New York with Revival Gold. Now, for those who haven't come across your story, could you give us an introduction to the company?
You bet. Great to be here in New York, and especially with the gold price on the rise. Revival Gold is a new growth company in gold focused on the Idaho Bear Track project, a former producing mine, and the neighboring Arnett project in the state of Idaho.
So tell us more about the project and why people should be getting excited about it.
Well, we're backed by Orion Mine Finance, and we're led by a veteran gold team, a team that's delivered in the capital markets and delivered on assets like Revival Gold's Bear Track project in Idaho. So we have experience, we're funded, and we're underway with exploration and development. Actually, we collared our second hole for the season this year just yesterday.
And as you mentioned, gold's on the rise. Talk to us about the market and what's your view on it?
Well, as these things go, of course, it's a cyclical business, and we go through these troughs of investor interest and appetite. And I think that this is a great setup for investors because there's great value in the sector, there's really solid management teams out there like Revival Gold's, and there's money to be made in this cycle.
So what would be your key messages to investors here at One-to-One?
Key message is look at Revival Gold. We're at www.revival-gold.com. We trade on the Venture Exchange in Canada and on OTCQB in the United States.
And talk to us about what can investors expect to hear next from the company?
We're focused on bringing our project forward to a PEA in 2020. First step for us will be drilling this year, metallurgical test work, and then we'll put out an updated resource towards the beginning of next year. And so those are the milestones in front of us. And again, we're funded for that work through to the beginning of next year.
So the outlook's positive?
I think so.
And how have you enjoyed the One-to-One conference so far?
Excellent conference, really good participation from investors and companies. I've noticed that. We've got some really good peer companies here as well. So the conference is a great venue for bringing investors together with good companies and good investment opportunities.
Well, thank you very much, and it was great to hear about Revival.
Thank you, Rosie.